trying to pull her over and tell her to scoot over. He's really smart. The male's on the right, the female's on the left. This is experimental breeding. The male is actually a Fisher, and the female's a Dutch Blue. She's wet because she was just bathing. Tonight was her first night meeting. There we go. Trying to offer her some food, but she's like, I'm ready. I don't need all that. No need for seduction. I'm ready. See? Okay. This is so funny. So the male is like a white and powder blue Fisher, and this is a male African lovebird. The female that's flapping her wings, she's a Dutch Blue female, and she's not African. His female was supposed to be this one right here. Hey you. Hi. Coming down? That's his female. But she's not interested in him, even though she does want to mate. She's tame. Hey cutie. You come in and say hi. You a silly girl. Yes, you are. I know, you gotta stay in there. I know.